This next video, we are going to go over how to load a route and then actually optimize the route, which is a little bit awkward of a process. We're going to go into Trip Planner here. Go into that Trip Planner. We're going to find the route. And it's loading up. And that's not it. I'm going to go to, for this sake, and you have to do this every time you load one. So I'm going to do MV2. This will be the first one. So now I'm loading it. I'm just going to hit go and tell it to start with that first stop. Make sure it starts with the first one and hit start. Now, unfortunately, this is not totally loaded. The way you know it's not loaded, it's calculating right here.
Please drive
this
to
arrival
highlighted
time
route.
right here. Right now, that's only like 5 minutes from now. All that's telling you is the arrival to the first route for the first stop, and you want that to be a lot longer because you want that to be all 30. There's 30 stops in this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings here, go back, hit back, go into settings, and then we're going to go into navigation, and we're going to do calculate route, and we're just going to pick the alternate here. If it's shorter right now, then we're going to do faster. So pick the alternate, pick faster there, and hit save. Once you change that, now all of a sudden it'll redo it. And now when we go back to our map,
highlighted route.
That's a good sign there. Now we go to the map, you see, look at this arrival time here. Our arrival time, it's still calculating it right now. Now our arrival time is 2.5 hours later because now it's the arrival time of doing all 30 routes. So every single time you have to go in and you just flip it back and forth. So the next time after you do these 30, you would go in and let's stop this. When we load our next one, we're going to load, after that 30 is done, we'll load the next one, which will be MV all 2. NV2 all, right, 2 of 2. Again, and we're going to do the same thing here again. When we hit go, this will be the second set of 30. And we're going to start on that first one, start. And this time down here again is not going to be accurate. That's way too quick. I mean, that's not for all 30. That's just to get to the first stop. So we're going to go back. We're going to go into our settings. We're going to go to navigation. We're going to go to calculate mode. And we're just going to do the opposite, right? Fastest and shortest. Generally exactly the same thing. Now we're going to pick shortest. And now it's calculating and we'll hear...
Please drive to highlighted route.
And when we go to map now, check it out. Now we know our arrival time. Now that arrival time will go down. It's not accurate. But that's how you know that you have all 30 properly loaded up on it. Hope that helps out. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.